This is Entertainment 97. Entertainment 97. Welcome to Entertainment 97. For the love of music, information, reviews, the movies, and the party scene. Entertainment 97.
Coming up, local and international entertainment news highlights, entertainment flashback in 60 seconds, and check this out. Good afternoon, I'm Heather Cummings-Williams, and this is Entertainment 97. In local entertainment news, veteran reggae heavyweight Ewart U-Roy Beckford was laid to rest on Wednesday, May 19 at the Dovecot Memorial Park. The viewing took place at the Paris Funeral Home from Monday this week, where the public was invited to say their final farewell to the beloved singer. U-Roy's family decided not to live stream the burial. The Wear You to the Ball icon passed away on February 17 due to health complications. Our latest Jamaican beauty queen, Miqueal-Simone Williams, made it to the top 10 in the annual anticipated Miss Universe competition. Williams made a delightful appearance in Hollywood, Florida on Sunday night, showing up and showing out for Jamaica. The beauty queen's top 10 placement adds to the budding list of Jamaica's island beauties who have outshined in the competition in recent years, including Casey Fennell and Davina Bennett. Buju Banton, Popcaan and Koffee were among the deserving winners at last Sunday night's International Reggae and World Music Awards, otherwise called IRAWMA. Banton received awards for Best Album, the most coveted award, Entertainer of the Year, as well as award for his humanitarian efforts. Reggae Golden Girl Koffee copped Best Female Vocalist and secured the bag with Lockdown voted as Best Song. Popcaan was recognized for his crossover and collab efforts with Canadian rap heavyweight Drake. In international entertainment news, Amazon continues to make big moves, as always, and has been recruiting top talent to its streaming service. The latest addition is Super Bowl champion and sports icon Russell Wilson, as well as his captivating wife, entertainer Ciara, who have both signed a first-look deal with the company. The deal entails the couple developing and producing scripted series and films through their Why Not You Productions for Amazon's streaming service. The Wilsons join a list of talent with first-look deals at Amazon, including Michael B. Jordan, Lizzo, Forrest Whitaker, and Donald Glover. This week's entertainment flashback in 60 seconds sheds light on dub icon Mad Professor, a monumental contributor to the development of dub music. Born Neil Joseph Stephen Fraser, he is a producer who hails from Georgetown, Guyana. His work has been recognized as one of the leading producers of dub music's second generation, which saw his collaboration with King Tubby, Scratch Perry, Pato Banton, and even international heartthrob Sade. Fraser had a passion for electronics and got his stage moniker Mad Professor from this. He migrated from Guyana to London at the age of 13 and later began his musical career as a service technician. Staying true to his dream, he collected mixing equipment and recordings over time, and by 1979, he opened his own 4-track recording studio titled IRAWMA Sounds. Mad Professor began recording lovers rock bands and vocalists for his label, releasing his first album in 1982. The studio was later expanded to the 16-track setup, and his success really began taking flight in the mid-80s with releases from Sandra Cross, Pato Banton, and others. The Mad Professor will always be recognized for his contribution to dub production and remix work. His son follows in his footsteps as a young sound engineer and producer, bringing a youthful, fresh, and exciting style to dub music as Joe Ariwa. And that's your quick bite for this week. Catch us again, same time, same place, for a continuation of this epic entertainment flashback in 60 seconds. Go check out reggae singer Romain Virgo's latest release, Stronger. In a time when encouragement is gravitated to, music is definitely a place of comfort and refuge for many. Virgo's song encourages persons to hold on and push through in this time, and is also part of the victory rock rhythm produced by fellow reggae heavyweight Kabaka Pyramid. The rhythm also features Christopher Martin, D Major, and Elaine. Listen to Stronger by Remain Virgo for some support or send it as a form of encouragement to a loved one. KOOL97FM urges you to continue following COVID-19 rules put in place for your safety. And that's it for Entertainment 97. I'm Heather Cummings-Williams. Thanks to technical producer Edson Johnson and producer Abigail Wilson. Join us again next Friday for more Entertainment 97.
This is the nation's coolest. Kool 97 FM.